What do you do to welcome back to this video? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to promote CPA offers for free without having a website. So what we're going to do is we're going to be going over different CPA networks that you can join for free, and I'm going to be showing you the best CPA network that I think you can use to make money online. So the first network here is CPA Lead, and this is a free network where anyone from any country can join. So you can see they have countries from India, Nigeria, any other country that is not allowed on Clickbank can be able to join CPA Lead. So this is another good network you can join. You get paid up to $1, or some offers can even go up to $3 on the high end. If you wanna promote those offers, they're good because the visitor doesn't need to do any purchases. They just need to complete a specific task like entering their email address, and you get paid. So how do you do this? Simple. Head over to CPAlead.com and register for an account using your Facebook account or a Gmail account. So I'll leave a link to that as well. Then the other one that I really like is Markethealth. Markethealth is, this one is specifically targeting health offers. So health offers like weight loss. So if you wanna, let me head over to the home page. Oh, no, okay. Let me let me log in. Okay, let me log in. Okay, so you can see that they have offers in different health categories, so like pet health, men's health, hair and beauty, sports, nutrition, teeth whitening, weight loss, women's health. So you can head over here, and these offers will pay you depending on the action the visitor takes. So you can see you can get paid up to $45 if a person makes a purchase or just gets a trial of these supplements. So these are supplements, and they can be, so even this one for hair loss for men, that's a good one, and it converts. I promoted that one in the past, and it's a good one. So the other CPA network that I think is even the best that you should always, you should consider trying is Maxweb. So Maxweb has most of the Clickbank offers that are on the Clickbank marketplace, and if you can't get into Clickbank, you can try Maxweb, but you need to have a website, a YouTube channel, or a primary traffic source that you can rely on. So this is good because you don't even need to worry about the huge competition on Clickbank, because it's gonna be hard for you to get traffic on Clickbank. But if you're promoting these offers as CPA offers, you can just focus on getting people onto that sales page, and once they make a purchase or they just try the offer or the supplement, you can get paid. So they have sweepstakes. So sweepstakes are just simple simple products that you can promote. They can be iPhones, they can be trials to specific health products. So they even have trials here, so you can promote these trials, and you can they have resources that you can access by clicking on resources. They have tinnitus here, which is the same, the Synapse XT, which is on Clickbank as well, is also present on here. So how are we gonna promote these offers, which is very important, and something that we should always focus on for the most time. So CPA offers, the promotion tactics can differ quite from the affiliate marketing route, because these are, you're getting paid for a person completing a specific offer. That means it's going to be much easier to make a sale because you don't need to master any copywriting. So we're going to use the Google keyword planner. So we're going to go ahead and enter some keywords like free gift cards, giveaways. Then we can see how how much traffic these keywords are getting. So you can see that the Walmart gift card one is getting up to 10k people, and I'm sure it's more than that. So I had there was an offer here for a Walmart gift card, so it's right here, Walmart $100 gift card, so you can get paid up to 87 cents for promoting this offer. So it's a Walmart gift card. They just have to sign up and they get this gift card. So we can preview the landing page and we see how this looks like. Oh, okay, so I don't know why it's doing that, but I think the owner of the product needs to fix that. So ensure you always check out the page before you promote it. So a dead link. So let's try another one. Let's try the iPhone one and see how it looks like. Where's the preview? Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so they don't have a preview here. Okay, let's try. I hope you get the idea. You can just go ahead here and we see. Okay, enter your information. Let's preview this one and we see how it looks like. Okay, so these people are just entering their information to get access to a PS5. Okay, so this is a good one you can promote because the PS5 is getting a lot of attention right now. So you can head over to the Google Keyword Planner, look for some keywords related to the PS5, then write articles on Google Sites. I've recently made a video about Google Sites, so it's important that you take some time and watch that video because I'll show you how to rank on Google using Google Sites. The reason why I like Google Sites better than Medium is that Google Sites, you own the website, unlike Medium you don't own the content. Once you make a mistake on Medium, your account can get suspended, or even your content can be taken down. So though they claim that you own the rights to your content can easily be taken down once you don't abide by the Medium rules, and the Medium rules can be kind of tricky if you're just getting started out. So I recommend Google Sites, and for that reason, therefore, I'm also moving to Google Sites. I did a video on Medium, so you can watch those as well. Then Google Sites is good because you don't need to own a website, so it's similar to Medium, but it gives you more flexibility and you have more features on Google Sites, so you can create layouts and different customizations on your Google site. So you can even write as many articles as you want without, you can add as many affiliate links as you want without even worrying about your Google site being taken down. So ensure that you watch that previous video that I made on how to rank your Google sites on Google, and how to do Google Sites affiliate marketing. So that's the first way of promoting these gift cards and CPA offers. So you can write an article about the 10 best places or websites to get a free Walmart gift card. So you can list those websites, then you add your affiliate link after each website. So you can head over to CPA Lead or any other affiliate network like Max Bounty. Max Bounty can be hard for beginners who don't have any sales history. So head over to CPA Lead and search for gift cards. So you can search for gift cards using their search. I'm still new to CPA Lead, so I don't know even how to use this. So you can search for gift cards, or you can even head over to Offer Vault and search for gift card offers on different networks. So I'm still new to this network. I even don't know how to use it, so you can bear with me for that. So the other way we can promote these sort of CPA offers is by using Quora. So Quora is a good traffic source if you use it right, and I made a video. I'll leave a link to that as well in the description below so that you can watch it as well. So you can search for some things like free gift cards. So people are asking what's the best place to get free gift cards, you can answer this person and say, hey, I'm using, this is the place to get blah 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 blah, this is the best place to get blah 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 blah, here's a link. Okay, go get your gift cards. Here's a link, go get your gift cards. Here's a link, go get your gift cards. Hope you get the idea. Just answer the questions, provide a link to your Google site. Don't provide your affiliate link, provide a link to your Google site with a resource of the best websites to get free Walmart gift cards, which is going to be your affiliate link. So you want to write somewhere along this website that this site contains affiliate links. You get paid once they sign up or whatever to be FTC compliant. So ensure you have long form content when you're writing articles on Google site, and adding links, so you can write as much content as you want. Then blah 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 blah, add content. Then the other way you can get questions to answer is using a simple tactic I mentioned in one of the core videos I made in past, so you can watch that. Then you can also join spaces. So spaces are good if somebody is looking for gift cards, and the other question was posted in a space. You can get a lot of traffic because those spaces have a lot of people that are interested in specific topics. So that's another good way. You can also run Quora ads to your Google site. which is another way. If you want me to make a video about that topic, if you can leave a comment letting me know that you want to see that, or if you want a paid traffic video talking about CPA offers, then I'll make that as well. So the other one is Facebook is good because they have a lot of groups that are with people interested in free giveaways. So you will see that these groups have huge number of members in them. But what you need to understand is that we are not going to be posting our links in these groups. What we're going to be doing is something totally different. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go inside these groups, then we're going to create some we're gonna create some posts, 1 or 2 a week. But what we're looking to do is to head over to the most engaging posts in the group. So these posts that are getting a lot of traction, then you want to you want to add those people that are engaging. So let's say this is the most so you can see they will not accept friend requests. So you need to read the rules as well as the terms of the group. So I found the rules here, somewhere here, they were up here. So you read them. Then what you need to do is to the people who are engaging with the most popular post, you need to send them a friend request, and add them. Then these people are gonna be added to a friend list. So add them into a friend list. When you add them into a friend list and make a post that is only shown to these people who are interested in the giveaway. So I hope you get the idea. You're making a friend list, which you can do by heading over to your profile and creating a friend list. That way it's so easy, you don't even need to own a website. So create a friend list, create a post about the giveaway. Then when somebody comments that, hey, I'm interested in this, send them a message to your Google Sites landing page. Ensure you're sending them a link to the Google site, not a link to your affiliate offer. Hope you get that right. So the other one, and the best way that I think is the best strategy you should use to promote CPA offers, is Pinterest. Pinterest is good because all you need to do is create a couple of pins. Like you need to create 5 to 10 pins a day, then add a link to your Google site. I hope you get why the Google site is important. You need to have this in place if you want to use all the methods I'm talking about in this video. So create the Google site, it's free. Add a link to the Google site into the pins here. So you can add a link here, just copy it and paste it here, then create a pin using Canva. They have a bunch of templates. It's free to sign up. So head over to Canva, create pins, and these pins can be talking about giveaways. You need to add your so you can say 10 websites to get free Walmart gift cards. So that's the Walmart gift cards. Add that in the title so that you can rank for that on the Pinterest search. So when somebody searches for Walmart gift cards, your pin will show up. So I hope you get the idea. This is the best way to promote CPA offers, is by using Pinterest traffic. It's good because the people here are just looking for ideas and they're looking for something that excites them. So hey, go ahead and use Pinterest. So the other way that is a bonus for watching the video up to this point is Reddit. What you need to do is to head over to Reddit and create a free account if you don't have one already. But if you have one already, you can just log in and search for free, for Reddit free. There are so many Reddit free books. So if the product you're promoting is a free book, and people just have to sign up to get a free book, then you can come here and click on create a post right here. Once you click on that, then it will allow you to make a post. If you're ensure you're reading all the group posts. Do not post, they will tell you whatever you should not post in the group. So for this group, for this subreddit, sorry, I can see that they don't allow links, but they allow polls. So you can make a poll so that you know what these people are interested in. So you can ask them which of these so you can make a poll. You can say, which of these would you like, which of these would you like for free. Then you can create options. Option 1, Walmart gift card. Then option 2, Amazon gift card, so that you know which offers to promote to these people. If they're not interested in the Walmart gift card, don't promote it. This is why you should always take some time and get known in these subreddits. Once you're known and you're giving people some piece of information value, then they will be more willing to click your affiliate link. So that is it for this video. Once again, let me summarize everything for you. We are joining CPA networks like CPA Lead, Maxweb, and this Markethealth, which is specifically for CPA CPA health offers. So these are offers that are in the health niche, and they are paying you for a purchase or a trial once somebody tries a specific supplement. So join these networks, do some keyword research using the Google Keyword Planner, which is free. Get some keyword ideas, write about, so you can write about the 10 best websites to get a free Walmart gift card. So you can head over to Google, search for it. You can see people running ads on these specific keywords. That means the keywords are profitable. So you can see 37 easy ways to get free gift cards. So you can write an article similar to this, 50 ways to get free gift cards. You can write it on Medium, or you can write it on Google site. So once again, take the time to watch the videos that I've linked to it below, so that you get the idea on how to optimize your articles. So once again, leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.